Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn to check whether the triangle can be formed with the sides mentioned by the user. That means we'll have to capture the sides mentioned by the user and check whether a triangle can be formed or not. To check whether the triangle can be formed or not, the first condition we are going to see is one side, any one side cannot be greater than the sum of other two sides. Okay, that will be our first condition. If any one side is equal to sum of other two sides, then we can form a triangle, but it is called degenerated triangle. And for any other combination we can create a triangle. So let us see. We'll use the previous day's code to get the sides. Now we got the sides S1, S2 and S3. We'll create if statement. If S1 is greater than S2 plus S3. So in this case, if S1 is greater than S2 plus S3, then we cannot form a triangle. But if S2 is greater than S1 plus S3, still we cannot create a triangle. So we will have to see all the three combinations. So to check all the three combinations, if S1 is greater than S2 plus S3, or S2 is greater than S1 plus S3, or S3 is greater than S1 plus S2. If any one of the side S1 or S2 or S3 is greater than the sum of other two sides, then print we cannot form a triangle. Okay. Next, elif. The same goes with the second statement. If S1 is equal to S2 plus S3, we will try to copy this, paste. If S2 is equal to S1 plus S3, if S3 is equal to S1 plus S2, then this is considered as a degenerated triangle. We can create degenerated triangle. Else print we can create a triangle with the mentioned sides. So now let us execute this code. Run. For the first side I am going to give 10, and for the second side I am going to give 2, and the third side I am going to give 3. So we cannot form a triangle because 10 is greater than 2 plus 3. So our first condition is satisfied. And now I am going to run again and I will see whether the second condition is satisfied or not. 5, first side, second side will be 2, third side will be 3. We can create a degenerated triangle. So it went to the second statement also. Now I am going to give a new sides. Here 4, 5, 6. We can create a triangle with the mentioned sides. So with the help of if statements and OR function, we were able to create a triangle. We are able to, with the help of if function and OR, with the help of if function, with the help of if function and OR, with the help of if function and OR keyword, we were able to identify whether we can create a triangle or not with the help of the values mentioned by the user. Okay. In the next class, we are going to learn how to check a number is even or odd.